Hello everyone and welcome to my channel.
This morning, while I was checking my ant colonies, there was a surprise waiting for me. My Camponotus ligniperdus had moved most of the eggs and larvae from their nest testing tube to the outwards water tube. The queen was still at the nest along with a couple of workers and some larvae. What I noticed was that the test tube had a little mold on the cotton, but nothing dangerous for the ants. So I started thinking, what would be the best next steps to do in order for them to move to a more comfortable nest than the tube? Fortunately, a couple of days earlier, I had designed and 3D printed a new tiny formicarium which I was planning to use when the population would be around 20 workers. And here is the formicarium I have designed. Its dimensions, length and width, are 5 cm long, while its height is about 2.5 cm. At the bottom right corner of the formicarium, I have attached a digital hydrometer which monitors the temperature and humidity inside the nest. Camponotus ligniperdus like a nest humidity at around 50 to 60% and temperature between 22 and 26 degrees of Celsius. I have covered the nest's floor with a cork sheet because I have read that Camponotus species like that. On the top of the formicarium floor, you can see tiny holes. These are used for the hydration of the nest. The hydration base consists of two parts, where I put some cotton with water, so the moisture from the cotton reaches the nest from the tiny holes. I only plan to water one part of the hydration base each time, in order to discourage the mold growth. And without second thoughts, I connected the new setup between the tube and the outworld. Only a couple of seconds later, the first workers started to investigate their new home. Now, what I had to do is to wait for them to take the decision to move. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to push the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.